Life's a beach. In today's episode, we go searching for an amazing mammal who's ready to brave the open Atlantic Ocean at only 10 weeks old. Grey seals are large marine mammals that can weigh up to 400 kilograms. Their scientific name, Haliocoris grypus, means the hooked-nosed sea pig. But long before they can become giant ocean-going adults, they start life as tiny white-coated pups born on sheltered beaches where mum can keep a watchful eye from the safety of the water. Seal pups have to grow up fast, and in the first 3 weeks, they can put on 2 kilograms of weight a day. They practice swimming in sheltered pools, playing in the shallows while mum keeps watch. This playtime is vital, as pups in the first year of life will need to develop extraordinary skills, learning to dive to 40 meters deep and traveling great distances, with one pup known to travel 1,000 kilometers in its first 3 months. But for this little pup, it's time for a little more swimming practice and perhaps a nap on the beach.